If you've been reheating your pizza wrong, you're not alone, and it's time to stop. Here's the trick. When you microwave leftover pizza, place a small glass of water next to your slice. Why? That steam magic keeps the crust from turning into cardboard and the cheese from becoming a rubbery disaster. The water helps distribute heat evenly, restoring that just-baked vibe we all crave. Here's the kicker. You can use this hack for almost any leftovers. Rice, pasta, bread, you name it. The simple addition of water reinvents your microwaving game, making your leftovers taste like yesterday never happened. So, next time you're ready to nuke last night's dinner, remember the water trick and thank future you.